I'll tell you what, just about every morning this week we've been watching some light showers in and around the radar. It's been nice to see some rain on the radar because we could need it, and we do need it across various portions of Nebraska. I wanted to show you the latest comparison in the drought monitor from last week to this week's update into Thursday. Yesterday, you'll see some moderate drought in and around Beatrice and areas to the south from last week. Still severe drought in northwest portions of the state as well. Now watch the changes. You can see several splotches across the state have either developed and are leaning towards drought, if not got a little bit worse down towards southern Gage County, into Thayer and Jefferson County as well. A little expansion of severe drought in northwestern Nebraska as well. So a lot of us could use the rain really statewide. Lately it's been tracking more across southern Nebraska, and I think we'll have a chance to see a little light rain here in Lincoln. But each of these rounds of rain really haven't amounted to much. Maybe a few hundredths from yesterday. Lincoln didn't record anything, and hopefully we'll get a little bit more out of this today. South 27th and Yankee Hill Road. Partly cloudy skies out there right now. You can notice how quiet it is at that intersection as well. 66 degrees here at home. Some milder temperatures in and around central Nebraska. 68 in Grand Island and O'Neill, 71 still in Valentine. They were quite warm yesterday as well. So seeing that similar trend into today with, again, light rain kind of tracking across southern Nebraska. There has been some more showers and isolated thunderstorms kind of picking up just a little bit to our west and around York and up towards Seward. So showing you some of that activity that's expected to hold together as kind of the initial wave. Likely kind of going to miss us. Maybe West Lincoln sees a little bit of that, but obviously Seward, that's just to your south and west at this point, has a little bit of lightning associated with it, with a better forcing for some widespread light rain to move into later this morning after about 8-9 o'clock. So tracking that with Stormcast and showing you that some of those scattered thunderstorms out ahead will kind of spread out a little bit into eastern Nebraska heading into 7 a.m. and then into this morning. Some light rain possible for a lot of us, and even lingering possibly into the early afternoon hours before lifting to the north and east. And then into tonight, similar pattern from what we've seen a lot of this week as well. Maybe a couple storms pulsing up with 60-mile-per winds and quarter-size hail. Meanwhile, the remnants of that will move into southeast Nebraska tomorrow morning as well for another chance at some light rain. Into tonight, a marginal risk for those in western Nebraska, but really into this weekend, we're going to enjoy this last cooler day because it's not going to be like this into Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday. We're looking at 96 with a heat index up to 107 on Saturday, up to 109 on Sunday. National Weather Service talking like they're going to lean toward a heat advisory at least a couple of these days. Monday, we get a little relief from the humidity with heat index dropping off to about 102 maybe through the worst portions of the day. But as you can see, a hot stretch there for 3 days, and then we'll get some cooler air as that more active pattern kind of ramps up through the middle of the week. And hopefully we stay on a cooler nose. We enter into September, and of course the first Husker home game around the corner.
All right, sounds good. Thank you very much, Jessica.